clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few stuff from Forever 21 and SHEIN. Majority of the pieces that I have here are from SHEIN. I've heard so much about SHEIN from YouTube, but I've never really, tried their pieces or their clothing or anything from the website. I have quite a few things here. First thing I got is this little crop top here. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna try to link everything down in the description box. I'm gonna try to put the prices like on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. But I'm in love with this crop top. Like, I'm in love with the material. So this quality, this feels exactly the way I was expecting it to feel. The sizing was perfect. I went through the reviews. I didn't have time to read the reviews. I know everybody's not going to want to read through every review there, but so that helped me out a lot. So yes, this here is a simple crop top. As you can see, a simple cami. It goes all the way here. It's really, I'm in love with this piece. The next thing I got from SHEIN was this t-shirt here that says melanin. I thought it was really cute, and I'm trying to embrace me and love me more, and I'm a girl of melanin, so I just want to embrace me. Okay. I thought this was really cute. It's just a simple t-shirt, perfect for school. It's the quality is really nice. It's not like it's not soft. It's like more cotton. Some t-shirts that are kind of stretchy, which is nice sometimes. This one is not stretchy at all. This one is just plain, but I still like it. I got this in a size medium, and it doesn't fit me baggy, but it also doesn't fit me really small. You guys will see in the try on if you like the fitting of it. But yeah, really nice t-shirt, just plain to the back and melanin. So the next thing that I got is this dress here. This dress didn't fit me the way I wanted it to fit me, but that's all on me and the sizing. I got this in a size, in an extra small. I probably should have gotten it in a small, just to have some more space. Since it's school, I don't like to wear stuff where I'm like overly exposed or just comfortable. I want to be or just uncomfortable, I meant to say. See, the color is just yellow and white. It's really nice. It's really simple. I think this will look really nice with some white sneakers. Really nice. I'm just mad that I didn't get a size small instead of extra small. So if you normally wear extra small, maybe going up a size might be right. Yeah, so it's not true to size. It's very small and it just hugs me really tight, and I don't really like that for school. But overall, the quality is not too bad. It's not see-through. So guys, the next thing that I got from SHEIN is this t-shirt. It comes with a shorts, so with some short shorts. So it's a set. I thought this was like perfect for school, but now that I got it, I don't know. I got this shirt here. It's supposed to be a t-shirt. It just says normal right here, and it's just plain in the back, and it just has some design to the end here. This shirt is okay. I would definitely wear this t-shirt here. The quality is not like a t-shirt quality. It's very stretchy. It's very different. The overall quality of this is just really different. I got another t-shirt here. This is just a simple white tee. This is directly from the SHEIN brand, and it just has this classy, glamorous girl on top of it. I thought this was really cute. The quality is okay, but it's the quality is not too bad for a t-shirt. This is okay. The only thing I don't like about this is, like, I like my t-shirts to just be square, and this is not just square. This is kind of flared out a little bit to the sides, like right to the end there, and I don't like my t-shirts to have shape to them. I just want them to be plain, and I can dress it up however I want to dress it up. So this is nice. The quality is nice. The design is nice, but I just don't like that little flare out piece to the bottom there. I don't know what's going on with the lighting. I think the lighting is going in and out right now here. So if you guys are still watching, please bear with me, and thank you so much. I got was this, what do you call it? This is just a prop sweater. Oh my god, I'm in love with this thing. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I mean, this looks exactly the way it looked online. The material is exactly what I was expecting. It's just a simple hoodie. It's white and it comes with a simple pineapple here. This one is so cute just to throw on with some jeans, some shorts, whatever. And you know, you just having a day where you're lazy but you still want to look put together. This is just perfect. If you guys didn't know, I have a lookbook on how to style Vans on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to check that out, I'll make sure I link it on the screen here. But some Vans, some jeans, and this, perfect, like amazing. And the quality is good. The quality is really nice. Skirt here, it's a black, as you guys can see, it's black, but it's a jean skirt. Oh my god, the lighting came back. I think the lighting came back. It was just getting dark just now. I don't know if it's because of the pieces that I'm showing you guys, but yeah, this quality of this skirt was as expected. The only thing about this is the length. It's pretty short. I was expecting it to be short, but I wasn't expecting it to be this short, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this to school. But if you're okay with wearing, you know, lengths like this to school, then you can. The quality of this skirt is good. Everything, it looks exactly the way it looked online. I really like it. So I got this in a size medium, and I normally wear small and extra small, and the size medium fits me perfect. So if you want to try this skirt, you probably need to go up a size. Depends on how you want your skirt to fit you. So yeah, really nice quality. That are some sweatpants. The first one is this one here, right here. It's the velvet material. I know. I don't know. I thought it was cute online, but I don't know if it's that cute in person. Anyways, it just goes like this here. It has the white line to the sides and it's scrunched up to the bottom. I think this was really cute and comfy. You guys will see it better in the try-on part of this video here, and you can decide about, you know, how it looks on me. But I thought this was really cute, really comfy. Overall quality of this pants is really good. Like, it's really soft. It looks exactly the way it looked online, so I wasn't disappointed or anything. I'm just not sure about how it fits me in terms of just the overall style of the pants. So the next sweatpants that I got from SHEIN is this one here. This one looks really cute online. The quality of it is the same thing. Like I said, the quality is amazing, really good. I'm not sure about the way it fits me. I don't know. And I got this in a size small. It comes with the same stripes to the side, and it goes all the way down to the bottom here. Now I'm just going to show you guys a few pieces that I got from Forever 21 that I also consider, you know, pieces that you can wear to school for the fall season. So the first thing I got is this simple short here. It's not really cropped, but it's not long. It's just a simple white short. It has some like stripes on it. It's very stretchy and it's kind of scrunched up to the bottom here. It's really comfortable, and I think it's perfect for school. I also got the same shirt in a mustard color. This is more of a dark mustard, and I think it's perfect for the fall season. Same thing, really nice. Last thing that I got from Forever 21 is this cardigan. I don't own anything like this, so I just decided, you know what, these always, they're really nice just to throw over. And even though it might be hot outside, sometimes in the classroom it's like really cold, so this is just perfect to throw on. It's really soft and smooth. It's very stretchy. I got this in a size medium just so it doesn't fit me tight, but also so it can be a little baggy but not too much. Really nice. If you're not seeing, this is in gray. It's a gray color, not the gray material. The material is very thin, but it's still enough to keep you warm. And of course, if you wear it outside when it's hot, then you're definitely gonna be hot. So really nice. And it comes with just 2 pockets right here. Yeah, really simple. Cute. So guys, that's everything I got from SHEIN and Forever 21. If you guys are still watching, thank you so much for watching me and listen to me ramble. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would help me out a a lot. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.